Why use WordPress? Over 30% of websites now use WordPress. There must be a reason why it's so popular. What started out as a blogging platform is now an incredible content management system that has almost no limitation, ease of use. The main reason people love WordPress is because you can create a beautiful and professional website without knowing how to code. With thousands of templates, you have a ready-made website. Editing is also a breeze, as the content editor looks like Microsoft Word. SEO Benefits. Google loves WordPress and ranks their sites highly compared to other content management systems. It has tons of features that make it easy to optimize your site so that you can be found at the top of Google. It's free. The WordPress software itself is completely free, making it the most cost-effective way to build a site. You only need to pay for your domain and hosting.